Elon Musk just confirmed the most important Tesla ever made, and it's going to change everything you think you know about electric cars. In the next 10 minutes, you'll discover how Tesla's $15,990 Model 2 is using revolutionary aluminum-ion battery technology to destroy the competition, why this stripped-down approach is actually genius, and how this single car could make Tesla the king of EVs again. Welcome back to Tesla Torch, where we break down the biggest Tesla news before anyone else. If you want to stay ahead of the EV revolution, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe with notifications on. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming. Dot, let me ask you something. When was the last time Elon Musk looked genuinely worried about Tesla's future? Well, if you've been following the numbers from 2025, you'd know that Tesla has been getting absolutely crushed by one company, BYD. For the first 2 quarters of this year, BYD overtook Tesla in global EV sales, and they did it with cars priced as low as $13,000. That's not a typo. $13,000 for a fully electric vehicle. While Tesla was focused on perfecting the Cybertruck and pushing the boundaries of luxury EVs, Chinese manufacturers were quietly dominating the one market that actually matters: affordable electric cars for everyday people. Musk knew he had a problem. Tesla's cheapest car, the Model 3, starts at around $35,000 after incentives. That's more than double what BYD is charging for their entry-level EVs. So what did Musk do? He went back to the drawing board and came up with what might be the most controversial Tesla decision ever made. After years of speculation about a mysterious Model 2, Musk finally confirmed its existence. But here's the twist that has the Tesla community completely divided. The Model 2 isn't a revolutionary new design. It's not the compact hatchback Eve Rayon was hoping for. According to Musk himself, it's just a Model Y, but with some very strategic changes that allow Tesla to hit that mind-blowing $15,990 price point. Now, I know what you're thinking. How is Tesla supposed to get excited about a stripped-down Model Y? But here's why this decision is actually brilliant. Instead of spending years and billions of dollars developing an entirely new platform, Tesla is leveraging their existing manufacturing infrastructure and supply chains. This means they can start production immediately, and in fact, production has already been underway since June. But let's talk about what this $15,990 actually gets you, because Tesla had to make some pretty significant sacrifices to hit this price. Starting with the exterior, you'll immediately notice that the Model 2 looks different from its more expensive siblings. The front end has been completely redesigned with headlights positioned higher up, and that signature Tesla light bar that everyone loves, it's gone. The rear is even more dramatically simplified. No more sleek light bar across the back, just a basic panel. And here's the change that's going to be the most controversial for Tesla fans. For the first time ever, a Tesla will not have a panoramic glass roof. Instead, you get a solid body-colored panel. Now, anyone who's driven a Tesla knows that the glass roof is one of the most beloved features. It makes the cabin feel incredibly spacious and futuristic. But glass roofs are expensive to manufacture and install. So Tesla made the tough call to eliminate them entirely on the Model 2. Step inside the Model 2. And the cost-cutting becomes even more apparent. Those luxurious vegan leather seats that Tesla is known for, replaced with textile upholstery. It's cheaper to produce, but it's also less durable and harder to clean. The ambient lighting system that creates that premium atmosphere in other Teslas, stripped down to just a single color. The premium audio system with multiple speakers strategically placed throughout the cabin, significantly reduced. Even the sound insulation has been compromised. Tesla typically uses double-layer acoustic glass to keep road noise out, but the Model 2 uses single-layer glass, which means the ride is going to be noticeably louder. And without that panoramic roof, the cabin is going to feel much more enclosed and traditional. Before you start thinking that Tesla is just cheaping out on everything, there's one absolutely crucial feature that they refuse to compromise on: full self-driving hardware. Despite all the cost-cutting measures, every Model 2 will still come equipped with the cameras, sensors, and computing power necessary for Tesla's autonomous driving technology. This is huge, and it tells you everything you need to know about Tesla's long-term strategy. But here's where things get really interesting, and this is the part that could completely revolutionize the EV industry. Tesla isn't just cutting costs by removing features. They're implementing a completely new battery technology that could change everything. For years, the biggest barrier to affordable EVs has been the cost of lithium batteries. Lithium prices have been absolutely insane, with Musk himself frequently complaining about the volatility and expense of this critical material. Even Tesla's cheaper LFP batteries, which use lithium iron phosphate instead of the more expensive lithium cobalt oxide, still cost too much to enable a sub $20,000 EV. So Tesla did something that nobody saw coming. They're reportedly moving to aluminum-ion batteries for the Model 2. This is where things get technical, but stay with me, because this is revolutionary. Traditional lithium-ion batteries use lithium ions that carry a single positive charge. Aluminum ions carry a triple positive charge. This might sound like a small difference, but it has massive implications. Because each aluminum ion can transfer more electrons, you get higher current density and more efficient energy movement within the battery cell. The numbers are absolutely staggering. Aluminum-ion battery prototypes have demonstrated energy densities up to 500 watt-hours per kilogram. To put that in perspective, most current lithium batteries max out around 250 watt-hours per kilogram. We're talking about literally double the energy storage capacity in the same size and weight package. But the energy density is just the beginning. Aluminum is 800 to 1,200 times more abundant than lithium on Earth. It's mined in over 40 countries, which means Tesla won't be dependent on a handful of suppliers or vulnerable to geopolitical supply chain disruptions. And here's the kicker. Aluminum is massively cheaper than lithium. According to leaked internal Tesla documents, a 53 kilowatt-hour aluminum-ion battery pack costs approximately $3,100 to produce. The equivalent lithium iron phosphate pack costs $5,300. That's a $2,000 savings per vehicle. When Tesla is producing millions of cars per year, we're talking about billions of dollars in cost savings that can be passed directly to consumers. And the performance implications are incredible. Despite being Tesla's cheapest car, the Model 2 is expected to achieve a minimum range of 300 miles on a single charge. There will be at least two variants, a standard range model and a long-range version that could potentially exceed 400 miles of range. Let's zoom out and talk about what this really means for Tesla's future, because the Model 2 isn't just another car. It's Tesla's declaration of war against Chinese EV manufacturers. BYD and other Chinese companies have been winning the affordable EV market by focusing on basic transportation with decent range and reliability. They've sacrificed luxury and advanced features to hit aggressive price points. Tesla, S approach, with the Model 2 is different. Yes, they're making significant sacrifices in terms of premium materials and luxury features. The Model 2 is definitely a step down from the Model 3 and Model Y in terms of comfort and amenities. But Tesla is betting that their technological advantages, particularly in autonomous driving and battery management, will give them a decisive edge. Think about it this way. While BYD is selling basic electric transportation, Tesla is selling a computer on wheels that can potentially drive itself and earn money for its owner through robo-taxi services. Even at $15,990, the Model 2 includes the hardware necessary for full autonomy. That's a massive value proposition that no Chinese manufacturer can match. But Tesla is taking a huge risk here. The company built its brand on luxury, innovation, and premium experiences. The Model S redefined what an electric car could be. The Model 3 brought Tesla technology to a broader market while maintaining that premium feel. Now, with the Model 2, Tesla is essentially saying, we're willing to sacrifice luxury to win on price and accessibility. Some longtime Tesla fans are genuinely upset about this direction. They see the Model 2's stripped-down interior and simplified design as a betrayal of what Tesla represents. But Musk is betting that for every disappointed Tesla enthusiast, there are 10 potential customers who have been waiting for an affordable way to join the Tesla ecosystem. And here's the thing. If Tesla can deliver on the Model 2's promises, this could be the automotive equivalent of the iPhone moment. Remember when smartphones were expensive luxury items for business executives? Then Apple figured out how to mass-produce advanced technology at consumer-friendly prices. And suddenly, everyone had a computer in their pocket. The Model 2 could do the same thing for electric vehicles. A $15,990 Tesla with 300 miles of range and full self-driving capability isn't just competing with other budget EVs. It's competing with every gasoline car in that price range. When you factor in fuel savings, maintenance savings, and potential earnings from autonomous ride-hailing, the total cost of ownership could be dramatically lower than any comparable gas car. The official unveiling is happening at Tesla's annual shareholder event in November, which is traditionally the company's biggest event of the year. Based on the leaked information we have so far, Tesla is going all in on this launch. They're not just introducing a new car, they're introducing a new philosophy for the company. But here's what really has me excited about the November event. Tesla has historically used these unveilings to surprise everyone with capabilities and features that nobody expected. Remember when the Cybertruck was supposed to be a simple pickup truck, and then Musk revealed bulletproof glass and towing capacity that exceeded every competitor? I have a feeling the Model 2 is going to have some surprises that we haven't heard about yet. The success or failure of the Model 2 will literally determine Tesla's future in the automotive industry. If it succeeds, Tesla could dominate the global EV market for the next decade. We're talking about potentially millions of Model 2s on the road, each one collecting data to improve Tesla's autonomous driving algorithms, each one serving as a potential robo-taxi to generate revenue for both Tesla and owners. But if it fails, if consumers reject the stripped-down approach, if the aluminum-ion batteries don't deliver on their promises, if production problems plague the launch, Tesla could find itself relegated to a niche luxury brand while Chinese manufacturers take over the mass market. The stakes couldn't be higher. And that's exactly why this November unveiling is going to be one of the most important automotive events in decades. Tesla is betting everything on the idea that consumers want advanced technology and autonomous capability more than they want. Leather seats and panoramic roofs. Personally, I think Tesla is going to nail this. The combination of that $15,990 price point, 300-mile range, and full self-driving hardware is going to be irresistible to millions of consumers who have been waiting for an affordable Tesla. Yes, it's a more basic car than we're used to from Tesla, but it's still a Tesla, and that means cutting-edge technology, over-the-air updates, and access to the best charging network in the world. The Model 2 isn't just a car. It's Tesla's master plan to make electric vehicles accessible to everyone. And if they pull it off, we're going to look back at November 2025 as the moment when the EV revolution truly began. What do you think? Are you excited about a more affordable Tesla, or do you think the company is sacrificing too much to hit that price point? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to stay updated on all the latest Tesla news and be the first to know when that November unveiling happens, make sure you're subscribed to Tesla Torch with notifications turned on. We'll be covering every detail of the Model 2 launch as it happens. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.